Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to strengthen your account security on Gmail? In this video, I'll show you the steps to change a Gmail password on your mobile. Let's go. There are a few ways to change your Gmail password on your mobile device, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. The first one is using the Gmail app. If you don't have it yet, you can get it on the Apple Store. Now, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Tap your profile picture or initial on the top right corner, and select Manage your Google account. Go to Personal Info at the top. Scroll down under Basic Info. Find Password, and click on it. To verify that it's you, enter your password, then click Next. You'll now type in your new password. Retype and confirm by clicking the Change Password button. A prompt will then appear that the password has been changed successfully. Another way is to use a mobile browser if you don't have the app on your device. Open your preferred browser. It may be Safari or Chrome, and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in with your Gmail account by clicking the Go to Google Account button above. Follow the same steps on using the Gmail app from Personal Info onwards. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.